Facebook for individuals. Before we start talking about how we're going to, explore Facebook as far as making money, I think it's important to understand why a lot of people initially get into Facebook because a big part of Facebook is people reconnecting with friends from the past. Essentially, right now I'm at an actor's page, Vin Diesel, very popular actor. But just wanted to use this as an example. Basically, what people do is they'll sit down and they can do things like enter their school or their college that they went to, and then they can find other people that, of course, did the same thing. And then, bam, you're connected with people. So it's an interesting opportunity there. I know that one thing that I found really cool was, I find a few friends on here, and then I look at the friends that they have, and then I'm also reminded of more people that I know. And it's one of those things that just continues to build as you gain more friends. So people do that. People also do things as far as like interests. Like let's say that you have a dog, so that might mean that you might join some type of dog group. So if I have a friend, of course, that's done this, and I also like dogs, I see that my friend is in it, and then I want to be in it too. So Facebook has this viral nature of things, whereas I'm very connected to what my friends are doing. So because I get to see that, then of course I'll join in as well. And this is very, very popular. People sit down on Facebook and they get excited to try new things, to learn new things. And what better way to see what your friends are doing? So what happens is, it doesn't take much to get the ball rolling. Once people get interested in something, then other people hop on board too. So the goal here is going to be, for us to create something viral, to create something of value, and to find people that are going to be a good match for it. That's basically what pulls individual people into Facebook. Even though it might start as something as simple as reconnecting with old friends, there's a lot more to it, and we'll get into that as we move forward. Facebook for businesses. Many businesses use Facebook quite successfully, I might add, to promote their business, to gain more business. Let me go ahead and show you an example. TGI Fridays, a popular restaurant, something that they're doing on Facebook is they're saying, become a fan on Facebook, get a free burger. And of course they have a goal to get, so many fans by a certain date. So basically what happens is then, on websites, a lot of businesses you see promoting their Facebook pages. Now this is a fan page, it's a little bit different than a friend's page, but we'll talk about that shortly. But essentially what happens here is just want to show you an example. Here they've created this friend page. And of course the goal here is to get people to join, so they give people something for free. And then we can also see here that people are posting on the wall of this page here. And of course they're making posts about the burger. I hope I get my free burger. Where's my coupon? All these different things. So again, you can see here that they've already gotten 70,000 fans. So it's certainly working. But essentially, this is what you do as a business. You create something that's fun. You create something that's going to match for people. So then what would happen is, people might see this on other, like say, I join this up and I'm hoping to get the free burger, of course, and then my friends see that I'm on here, and you know what, my friends like burgers too. So and they're going to see that I'm on here, so they're going to sign up too. So that's one clever way that the businesses are using it. Another way that businesses use it is by creating groups. There might be a group, based on dog training, and of course that can be a great way to interact with other people that have dogs, especially if your business is selling some type of dog training product. So I'm sure that your mind's starting to spin around at the possibilities here of things. Facebook works very well in the business field, and what we're going to do is we're going to move forward and talk a bit more about the basics of Facebook, how to create an account and all that, and then we'll move forward and start to talk about how you can be using Facebook specifically to make money.